What's the point of smart robots if they go silent when you need them most? What if your fleet stalled mid-mission, just because connectivity dropped? And why should your mission-critical data ever be at risk? These are the real-world challenges robotic operators face every day. Meet Vyom IQ, the cloud platform that keeps your robots connected, in sync, and under your control, no matter where in the world they are. Take real-time control, even on shaky networks. Vyom IQ buffers commands and syncs mission data the moment you're back online. HD video, telemetry, and sensor data live, and all in one place. Everything you need, crystal clear. Push updates, remotely patch bugs, roll out features, no physical access needed. Plan and automate missions. Manage every robot, update software, and view live feeds all from one dashboard. Even when your robots go offline, your data stays safe. Vyom IQ buffers automatically and uploads in chunks once you're back online. Smart recovery ensures nothing breaks mid-mission. Our hybrid mesh networking keeps your fleet connected via Wi-Fi, radio, or Bluetooth. No terrain is too remote. Vyom IQ seamlessly integrates with your existing robotic infrastructure. It's fully compatible with ROS 2, making integration smooth and hassle-free. No more blind spots, no more stalls, just reliable control wherever your robots go.